device of measurement is known as a pipette. It allows you to measure the volume of a liquid. First off, I want to describe how to properly clean the pipette. It should be primed or otherwise pumped. Water should be pulled in via the primer at the top. Once it is suctioned in, you're allowed to blow it back out by removing a primer. Alright, before we begin this experiment, I do want to discuss the phenomenon known as a meniscus. It occurs whenever a volume is split within a pipette. It occurs because of surface tension. The particles of water are more attracted to each other than they are of the surface of the pipette, hence water being polar. I'll ask you to begin the experiment. First, properly place the primer on the top of the pipette. Make sure the air is removed. Doing thus will create a suction that will allow the liquid to be poured into the pipette properly. Still within the blue, or shall I say, colored water. Reach your approximate volume and quickly place your thumb along the top of the pipette to cancel suction. Once the said process is finished, look very closely and measure the process to the hundredths place. At this point from the bottom, the pipette reads at 5.11. And make sure once you're measuring, you measure alongside the bottom of the meniscus. This is very crucial. Otherwise, you can have a deceptive number. 4.9.
Make sure you add your units so that you know what you're measuring.
As a final step, you slowly remove your thumb, or actually instantaneously remove your thumb, and allow for the liquid to flow into the container. Once within the beaker at a set amount, stop whenever you feel comfortable, and record the volume as your final volume of the experiment. At this point, it would read 8.48, seems to be a reasonable volume.
8.48.
Once finished, allow for the colored liquid to be released. Properly clean the pipette and begin more trials. Thank you.